if you don't like too much salt or a little bit sweeter, if you want sugar, it depends on how you marinate it. But for me, I want it a little salty, not too sweet. But if I make it for my son and my husband, they want it a little bit sweet. So it depends on how you will season your tocino. But I'm using a half tablespoon of salt. Garlic powder. I'm going to a half tablespoon of garlic powder, okay? A garlic flavor tocino, chicken tocino. We need to spread it evenly. Smell garlic. Smell good. I love garlic. Garlic is good for you, for your circulation, antioxidant. Yeah, it depends on how you like it. If you want more garlicky, you can put some chopped garlic. You want more garlicky, okay? But it's enough for the garlic to have a garlic flavor. And I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of paprika. Over seasoned with paprika, it's not gonna give you a good taste. This one is to give a little flavor and a little spice, not too much, but it will give a good color. Paprika enhance the color. It's a natural color. Yeah, when you add your lemon juice, they're gonna blend all the colors, all the seasoning. You need to marinate more hours, more time. Give them time to soak into the meat, so it will give you a good taste, a good flavor of tocino, okay? Yeah, when we got the lemon, I'm gonna add later the lemon. I'm gonna get it. Yeah, this one is not ready yet, but we got a flavor already. We got salt, we got paprika, we got garlic powder. Okay, and the last one that I'm gonna add is to make your tocino tastier. We are going to add 1/3 of sugar. My son and my husband, they love it, the sweet tocino. In Spanish, tocino is bacon. It's not the tocino that we have in Philippines. Our tocino is different. Let it marinate on that seasoning that I add here. But look, you will see the kind of tocino we have. This is good now. And it will marinate, it will soak on the meat, and it's gonna be good. Later, we're going to add the lemon juice, pressed lemon juice. So that's the marinade. And later I'm gonna show you how will I cook it. This is overnight marinade, and I add lemon. Smell garlic. I put a lot of garlic. And start frying. Yeah, just to spread it around. Craving on tocino, don't pick pork. Just use the chicken breast, slice it in, and marinate.